Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with fail2ban for VPS brute force protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your virtual private server using SSH. You will need root or sudo privileges to make the necessary changes. Ensure your package list is up to date. Run the command to update the package list. Next, install fail2ban by executing the appropriate command for your package manager. For Debian-based systems, use apt-get install fail2ban. For Red Hat-based systems, use yum install fail2ban. Once installed, locate the default configuration file. This file is usually found in the /etc/fail2ban directory. Copy the default configuration file to create a backup. Use the command cpjail.confjail.local to create the backup. Open the jail.local file in your preferred text editor. Adjust the settings to suit your security needs. Configure the ignoric directive to list trusted IP addresses. Next, set the ban time to determine how long an IP will be banned. Adjust the find time and max retry settings for how many attempts are allowed. Scroll to the section for SSHD and enable it by setting Enable to True. This will allow fail2ban to monitor SSH login attempts. Once you have finished modifying the file, save your changes. Restart the fail2ban service to apply the new settings. Use the command system to restart fail2ban to do this. Verify that fail2ban is running properly with the command system status fail2ban. Check the logs for any signs of activity using cat/var/log/fail2ban.log. You may also want to configure email notifications for bans. Edit the jail.local file again to set up your email address. Add the action parameter to the SSH section to enable email alerts. Finally, conduct a test by attempting to log in with incorrect credentials. Watch for fail2ban to respond by banning your test IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.